Good day YouTubers, and welcome back to Moonshine Vaper. And today we're looking at two new juices to a juice line, Volcano Vapes. The first one let's go with this one first. The first one we'll be looking at is crispy treats. There it is. 10ml bottle, 3ml of nicotine. Give it a shake up. Now this smells to me almost like the Rice Krispie bar treat. It really does. I'm sure the mix on this one is probably 80-20. Volcano Vapes is a company I was dealing with way back in the beginning when I started doing my reviews. And I still believe up to this day they make the best costards out there. The gentleman that runs the company, his name is Tom Newman. Real nice gentleman. He lives over in either Derby or Burton. But like, I used to be always on his strawberry milkshakes, and he had some real crazy custard flavours out there. I'm not lying to you. Really lush stuff. Proper ingredients. Gone through bottles and bottles and bottles of his juices. We really have. I haven't been in contact with Tom for some time, to tell you the truth. But something came up there a couple of weeks ago that I have to get in contact with him about. And after discussion, he told me he's got a couple more new juices in his range. And so that he knows I'm like when it comes to certain flavours. Oh, fight to get that on there. Got an old scoundrel. Buttercup on top. As you can see. So give this baby a vape. Crispy treats. That's lush. That really is. You can taste that Rice Krispie texture, followed with that nice creaminess behind it, after like almost like the cereal bar. Yeah, it is indeed. Just like the cereal bar, that is. Really nice. Yeah, I'm sure this is an 80-20 VG-PG mix, because the vapor off this is stupidly fucking heavy. But I like it a lot. Lovely jubbly. So that's the first one. Crispy treats. It's almost a cereal bar. Rice Krispies. I like that. Woo, let's get these two babies out of the way. Right, let's go on to the second juice. Bubble Grape. Just that focus. All the usual paraphernalia on the side of the bottle. Give this baby a shake. Let's get him on. It smells exactly like a bubble gum. Great flavour. Yeah, sure, this is another 80-20 mix again. The thickness of the juice. It smells really fruity, that does. Grape is really dominant coming out of this. It smells luscious. Almost like a Jolly Rancher sweet. That kind of nice sweet flavour that comes off the juice. I'm using old Endless Clean Mod in brass. Let's get that nicely soaked up. Get the top cap on this baby. Get the vents leveled up. Let's see this one vapes like. From the first hit, it tastes like you got on a big massive fucking almost like gobstopper bubble gums, and you cracked into it for the first time, and that fucking sweet juicy bubblegum flavour just runs around your mouth. The grape's nice, very refreshing, really fruity in your taste buds as well. It almost makes me want to chew, to tell you the truth, because it does feel like I've got bubblegum in my mouth. Juicy stay on your lips as well. It's a really nice vape, it really is. Yeah, that's definitely an all-day summer vape for me, that is. Bubble grape. Actually, I'm drinking a grape kind of drink here. It does taste almost similar, it really does. Yeah man, that's nice. Bags of flavour. The vapour production of it is very good, as you can see. The flavour is absolutely spot on. It does taste like you're chewing on a giant sized bubblegum. And the grape is all over my palate. It really is. Truly a nice vape. I like that a lot. Lovely. Absolutely lovely jubbly. So there you have it. 2 more juices in the range, in the Volcano Vapes range. Crispy treats and bubble grape. Lovely all day vape, that is. It really is. Fucking mouth is full of flavour. So, ladies and gentlemen, to get all these juices, contact Tom Newman. You can get hold of him on Facebook. If you put into the search field, Volcano Vapes, his page will come up. You can inbox him from there and contact him for the price of his liquids. I know he does 10 mils, 50 ml bottles, I think he still does, and he does 100 ml bottles as well. His prices are spot on. I'm not sure if for 100 ml it's still going to be about 20. It's about £20, £25 tops for 100 ml bottle. That's including postage and packaging as well to you, so you can't really go wrong. And he's quick on his deliveries as well. So get in contact with him if you've got any issues regarding trying to get in hold of Tom Newman on Volcano Vapes. Just inbox me and I'll track him down for you and pass his details on to him for you. So this is Moonshine Vaper out on another wet Sunday in sunny old England, and we're out of the EU, and all the rest of this shit's going to come flying in behind us, as you all know. So for all you people out there now, lock your shit down and prepare for a long fucking haul run for about 2.5 years before this country gets herself straightened up. So this is Moonshine Vaper out. Have a good weekend, everybody, and I'll leave the description in the drop box for Volcano Vapes. This is Moonshine Vaper out.